Hi YouTube family, it's time to build our AI voice agent that will never ever hallucinate. Yes, we are going to reveal this exciting feature of Retell AI, which is Conversation Flow Agent. And this is Conversation Flow Agent that we have built. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick overview. If you want to learn more about this, for example, we are using Notion, we are using sending out emails, we are creating event, we are checking availability, all these things in just one AI voice agent by using this Conversation Flow Agent. So make sure to check it out, the course as well as the school community. First link in the description. Alright, so coming back to the video, we have started by using the begin node. Here what we have done is we have divided our conversation flow into 5 different sections or 5 transitions. That's why each of these conversation node or function node have only one task to do, therefore drastically reducing the hallucination or any complexity inside our AI voice agent. Since it has only one function to do, it will always perform it at its best. But if we are inscribing all the function in just one single state agent, for example, if we are telling our AI voice agent to check any event that are already been scheduled in my Google Calendar for tomorrow, to write on Notion if I have something to jot down, or if I want to add something in my Notion page, publish a new course, or this is the title as well as this is the content that I want to add in my Notion page. Yes, you can do that, all of this thing via call. You don't have to open Notion to create a Notion page. You don't have to open your Gmail to send out Gmail to your friend or to whatever prospect that you want to send out. We can all do that by using our AI voice agent. As well as this is the third path, which is to booking an appointment or to creating any event in your Google Calendar just by using your AI voice agent or over a phone. As well as if you want to send out any mail or Gmail to someone, it will specify or it will ask for the recipient email address, what is the subject line that you want to send out, as well as the email body. Yeah, that's all pretty much it. You can do it inside one AI voice agent by using Conversation Flow Agent. But if you are going to use single state agent and you're going to inscribe all of this information in one single prompt, trust me, it will break down a lot and there are so many chances of hallucination. That's why we're going to use Conversation Flow Agent. Now what we are doing is we are simply separating out our conversation into 5 different paths. The first is if the user want to check on calendar, if they want to write down something on Notion, as well as if they want to create an event in their Google Calendar, if they want to send out some message to anybody, which is Gmail, and if they want to end the conversation or if they want to transfer the conversation to a real human, we can do that by using this different transition. Alright, so we are dividing into first of all conversation node. So this conversation node has only one thing to do, which is to check for any event that are already in Google Calendar from point A to point B, for instance from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and it will invoke this function which is check calendar availability. Same goes for Notion. If they want to write something on Notion or if they want to jot down something, it will invoke this function. So if we open this function, you can see we are using our n8n URL. This is the name as well as the description, and this is the parameter or JSON schema. If you want this parameter or JSON schema as well as this n8n workflow, make sure to check out my course as well as my school community. It will be there. So what we are doing is we are simply using the webhook to call this custom function. And yeah, that's the beauty of Conversation Flow Agent. We can add custom function to that particular node only and not to entire our AI voice agent. That's why it knows what to do and it will do it in the best possible way. And we have speak during execution, wait for the result. We can enable this as a global node. For instance, if there is kind of something fallback, I'm using this node as a global node so that anyway, if our AI voice agent does not know what to do, it will fall back to this global node. And in this global or universal node, I have inscribed all the information that it needs to do. Alright, so this is the beauty of using Conversation Flow Agent. As well as here we have added our Notion account and will send the response back to our AI voice agent saying your Notion page has been created or your content has been stored in your Notion. Same goes for if the user want to create an event inside the Google Calendar, it will enable or invoke this function of book appointment in the Google Calendar. Same goes for if the user want to send a message to someone, it will invoke this function of send mail, as well as this is our conversation path where it will fetch out the recipient email address, their subject line if they want to add any subject line, as well as message content or email content, and it will send out email triggering this workflow inside our n8n, which is it will send message and we are responding back to the webhook saying your message or your email has been successfully sent. Alright, then it will fall back to this conversation or our global node. Now if our user want another help, for instance, first they have created a Notion page or they want to jot down something on Notion. Now they want to send out email to their friends or family. It will run back to this conversation flow here and will invoke this tool of send mail. And if they want to end the call, they can end the call right over there. Yeah, so that's the basis of conversation flow agent, and honestly speaking, they are the best. I have seen the results of single state or even multi-state agent versus conversation flow agent, and it is totally crushing it. The hallucination in conversation flow agent is literally to zero compared to single state as well as multi-state agent. So give it a go, give it a try, and let us test it out. Hi.
Hello, what can I do for you today?
Yeah, I want to jot down some important information so that I can refer back for the future.
Smashing. What information would you like to jot down?
I just want to make myself remind that I'm creating course for make.com, AI voice agent, automation for the next month. So store it down in my Notion.
Got it. Do you need help writing it or do you know what to jot down?
I already know what to jot down.
Brilliant. We're now writing that in Notion for you.
Awesome, it has successfully ran our workflow and it should add new Notion page. It should create our Notion page. We can see creating course for make.com. It should add comma, AI voice agent for the next month. It will do all the restructuring of your text as well as it will create a whole new title for a Notion page. Now same goes for running our email address. So if we send out, let's say if we want to send out email to my friend or my family, I can simply say, hey, I just want to send a message to someone. Then I will add the receptionist email address, the subject line and the message type, and it will invoke this tool of our Gmail address from this workflow. Alright, that's pretty much it. And yeah, thank you very much for it. But if you want to see actual how we have built this from scratch, what type of function that we are running, what type of tools that we are invoking, as well as this n8n workflow, make sure to check out my course as well as my school community, and it will be linked in the description. Alright, that's all from my side. If you want to build this type of AI voice agent for a business or a client business, you can always connect me on LinkedIn and we can schedule a call or jump on the call for the further discussion. Alright, so if you are liking this type of videos, do drop a like and hit that subscribe button because Lead Gen Man is a still small channel and every subscriber counts. Alright, thank you for doing that and I will see you in another video.